Happy May everyone, and welcome back to my video series, Nature in My Backyard. My name is Vaos, an environmental educator for the Lake County Forest Preserves, and when I was thinking about what to talk about this week, my subject leapt into my backyard, literally. Can anybody guess what animal would be back here this time of year? If you guessed frogs, you would be correct. But if you guessed toads, you would also be correct. That's because when we get a lot of rain and these temporary ponds come out in our backyards, those amazing water-loving amphibians follow. Now when I say amphibians, what am I talking about? Well, amphibians are a group of animals that have vertebrae like us, meaning those inside bones. But unlike us, they are ectothermic, which some people call cold-blooded, meaning they get their warmth from outside in the environment. They also have smooth, wet skin, and one of the really cool things about them is they can spend one part of their life in water and the other place out of water. Now we have about 17 here in Lake County, but 5 are kind of the most common you'll hear in your backyard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play those top 5 most common toads and frogs, and then I'm gonna test you to see if you can figure out which ones they are. First up on the list of the top 5 most common frogs and toads of Lake County is number 1, the American toad. The only toad on our list, this species is 2 to 4 inches long and has bumps on its body. Their call is often described as a trill. Second on our list is the bullfrog. At 3 to 8 inches long, this is the largest frog in North America. I've often had students tell me that they think it sounds like a cow. Up at number 3 is our boreal chorus frog. Although only about 1 inch long, this little singer has a loud voice and people often say it sounds like a fingernail running over a comb. At number 4 is our green frog. This 2 to 4 inch long frog is often confused with the bullfrog. They may often look similar, but their call is very distinct. It sounds a bit like somebody plucking a rubber band. And at number 5, our northern leopard frog. This 3 to 5 inch long frog has spots on its body, which is where the name comes from. Its call sounds like a finger rubbing against a balloon. Now it's test time. I will give you 2 audio clips and let's see if you can identify the Lake County amphibian. The answers will be after the audio clip, so here we go. Well, how'd you do? Did you get 100%? Well, thank you for coming on the journey and learning a little bit about the frogs and toads of Lake County. And I hope you get outside and listen for some of their amazing calls this spring. Have a good week and we'll see you next time.